In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Affirm to Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account settings and payment configuration options. This will take you to the part of Stripe where you can manage the payment methods that are available for your business. Next, open the Payment Methods tab. Here, you will see a list of payment options that Stripe supports for your account. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to find Affirm more quickly. Once you locate Affirm, click on it to open its settings page. On the Affirm settings screen, take a moment to review the eligibility requirements. Stripe may show details about supported countries, supported currencies, or account requirements that must be met before you can use this payment method. Read through that information carefully so you know whether Affirm is available for your business and for the type of transactions you want to accept. If everything looks good, click Enable. Stripe will then begin activating Affirm for your account. This process may take a short moment, so wait until the setup is complete. After that, confirm that the status for Affirm shows as enabled. This lets you know that the payment method is active and ready to be used in supported checkout experiences. Once Affirm is enabled, the next step is to make sure it appears in a payment flow that supports it. You can open an existing payment link, create a new one, or use a Stripe checkout page or another supported checkout option in your account. From there, preview the checkout experience or run a test to confirm that Affirm appears as an available payment method for eligible customers. This final check is important because payment methods can depend on factors like customer location, order amount, and currency. If Affirm appears during the preview or test, that means it has been added successfully and is available when the checkout meets the required conditions. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.